It is a natural calamity, you know. We did not expect such huge quantity of, rainfall will be made by the state. That it is happening in worldwide, not only in the particular northeast state of India, even in Delhi, Gujarat, many parts, even Assam usually. So, government did that of precautionary measures timely, but even though the volume of rainfall was so high, even in Kangpopi area, Senapati area, unfortunately in Senapati area, 2 precious lives lost. Well, in Ukhrul, even Ukhrul is flooded. So, for the future, I was discussing with the Honorable Minister Water Resource, we have to make a comprehensive plan, detailed project report, so that we can have a permanent solution for the future. So I think this time mass casualty are not taking place in the Delhi area and even in the hill area also, except very unfortunate 2 lives lost in the Senapati area. And the property, road has been damaged, and the house has been submerged, many paddy fields have been submerged. So I sent my Chief Secretary yesterday also in Delhi to take attacking the shock and to apprise the requirement of the state at the center with details as a preliminary report, But detailed report, final report will be sent later on. So we have to bear some.
How will you take regarding all the immediate actions taken up by the local MLAs?
Relief materials are providing by Deputy Commissioner and his officials, and the materials for embankment or for protection of the flood are taking place, issuing by the Water Resource Department, and I appreciate Manipur State. Different departments are involving here. Manipur Rifle, police, local volunteers, and Assam Rifles. I really thanks to all of them for helping in curbing this flood situation. Thank you.